All right, so 14.2, translate and reflect trig graphs. All right, so again, you're just going to be stating left or right, up or down.
Sticky stuff on my desk.
What?
How about a donut?
Sticky stuff on my desk.
That's gross.
It's like syrup.
Reflected. Well, there certainly hasn't been syrup in here. And then,
I know what it is. Remember when the meatball sauce was bleeding through my paper?
It's a meatball sauce.
that's great.
Wait, so they haven't cleaned the...
Okay, I'll clean it.
I wonder who ate the meatball part of the...
Somebody the other day said they did clean that desk, so I'm confused.
Oh, I know who ate it.
What?
Who?
My brother. Because I took it home. And he didn't know that there was a meatball sauce.
Oh, who ate the cookie, the meatball
Yeah.
sauce part of the...
Garrett ate it. I didn't tell him.
I kind of wanted to try it.
So you're just like looking around the corner like...
Did he tell you he was doing physics till midnight last night?
Ew,
I heard
why?
him up last night, but he didn't tell me. Oh, I knew he was working on physics, but I didn't know he was up to it. That gonna
Why?
be insane, buddy.
What's he doing?
It was awful. It was awful.
What? Oh, was he
I was
asking you
helping.
questions?
Yeah. It was
What
awful.
was he doing? Like taking a test or like...
Nope, it's just online homework, but the program is stupid.
Oh.
This one problem, he literally had this arrow off, like it was supposed to be right here,
Yeah.
and he had it like right here, and they marked it wrong. I was like,
Wow.
I hate online math. I hate it.
Yeah,
Refuse.
It's like you have to get it exactly right or something.
Yes, it's so annoying.
It goes by the book, basically.
And then one other problem, I'm pretty sure was just off by like a decimal point, and that was really annoying.
Oh my gosh.
I was like, I hate it. I used that same program when I was in college, and I hated it. All right, so something to note here. This -5 is not in the parentheses. Don't get confused with that. Okay, it has to be in the parentheses. Okay? So it's not, so that means that it's going with
Where are the parentheses?
What does
Up
that
and
mean?
like
You did it? Oh, no, you
So
didn't.
close as all.
Oh, okay.
like the cosine of x plus pi. Like if there's not parentheses there, then it means it's up or down.
Oh, so it'll tell you if there's parentheses. But
Yes.
parentheses. How that makes sense.
Yes.
Yes, it will.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
Do I
so
have to guess which ones are in the parentheses?
There's one you got.
amplitude of this is what?
1.
1. Period is
Oh, are they the same formula?
No.
from yesterday, yeah.
It would be.
Oh, where's my notes from yesterday?
Isn't it like
2 pi over 5
absolute,
negative 5?
absolute value?
Wait, 2 pi over
2
x.
pi over absolute value.
2 pi
eight.
over 1.
2 pi over 1, okay, or just 2 pi.
I was really struggling.
Okay, it's always the number that's in front of x.
Oh, and there's
Oh,
none.
in front.
Alright, and then is it left, right, up, or down?
Down.
And then you just say down 5.
No. Oh,
Easy.
Oh my gosh, I love this.
This is difficult.
Okay, I'm really scared because you really said this chapter is gonna be difficult.
We're in the
Well,
shallow,
next section
la,
is where
la.
it gets like
We're in the shallow.
you're in the easy stuff at the
We're
moment.
in the shallow.
Yeah, don't let this give you a false sense of security. This is a much harder chapter.
This is a false sense of security. Like,
Yeah.
why? Why would you do that to us?
12, y equals the sine of 3x minus 4. All right, amplitude,
I'm a false sense of security.
Yeah.
1.
Okay.
period,
Is the
2 pi over 3.
Bye. 3.
and what's happening to it?
Down 4.
Down 4.
Oh.
right, 14. Y equals the cosine in parentheses x minus pi over 2.
So then it would be left and right.
Amplitude is,
1.
period is,
1.
no,
Wait.
2 pi.
You got it
Oh,
wrong.
that's
And
what I
then
meant.
where's it going?
Wait, what is it?
Right, left. It's going
Right.
left.
No, it's going
Right. Pi over 2. Inside the parentheses, it goes opposite the direction of the sign.
Oh.
Oh.
Wait. What are we looking
Oh,
at
it
for
goes
in the
opposite the direction of the sign. So if it was positive, it would go left.
Oh. I was like,
Okay, I get it.
You sure?
Yes.
16. F of x
Unless you pull out a weird problem.
is equal to 1/2 sine of x minus 3 pi over 2.
no, I don't care.
Amplitude,
Half.
period,
2 pi. I almost said 1 again.
and where's it going?
A lot.
It's going
You're right.
right.
I'm glad you know
3
I'm right.
squared over 2.
3 pi over
I'm
2.
Why did I say
behind. I'm
square?
behind, okay?
I'll let you catch up.
I was like, what is period?
Why did I say squared?
Right.
I don't know.
Right?
I don't
Because
know.
it's negative, right?
I know the
Right.
symbol. As long as I write the symbol, I'll be okay. Doesn't matter what is that.
Please stop.
No.
I'm going to go ahead and write the next problem and then we'll wait to talk about it. Y equals the sine of 2 times x plus 2 pi minus 3.
How do you write so fast?
Fine.
I know. You
I know. You're
speak.
I know, it's like. What? Wait, why is
We
this
have to
the
write
extra?
that fast
What's
and
the extra?
forward.
Because I took Miss Marshall's class in the day of writing all of her notes down. And
Without the PowerPoint?
I learned to write really, really fast. Well, she had the PowerPoints like posted, but she greatly recommended against us like just like printing them out. And we weren't allowed to print them at school, and I didn't feel like printing them at home. So I just wrote them in class very, very quickly. I had 2 of her classes in a year. Yeah. I learned to write quick. Because I could pretty much get down everything that was on her slides while she was talking. Then there was a kid in my class who was very slow, and he'd be on like line 1 and she'd be flipping the thing. He'd be like, "Wait! I'm not done!" It's like,
It's always that one.
She just waits till we're done. Everyone's done though now.
oh,
She just waits
that's nice.
Yeah.
She's gotten nicer.
She's gone soft.
All right. Any ideas about what I need to do with this one?
You gotta add the 3 to. I don't know.
What?
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Multiply everything by 2.
What?
Distribute.
So
Oh,
sine
I thought I
of
had a
parentheses
problem.
2x plus 4 pi minus 3.
But she didn't.
My life is a lie. I thought I was done with the problem.
All right, amplitude is
Wait, what?
Wait, why do you?
It's 1.
period is
2 pi
Over
over
pi.
2x. Wait.
2 pi over 2.
Just over 2 pi.
2 pi over 2.
I called.
It's just the number in front of x.
Wait, then why'd we have to move the 2? Why'd we have to like distribute?
Oh wait, I still.
Because. No.
Because it's being multiplied by both of those things.
It's left.
Left 4 pi.
Yes.
And then
We don't do it.
I left for pop.
And what else?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
And down.
I don't know.
Down
about
3.
Down 3.
Oh. So why can't we have just left the 2 like outside of?
Because then. The
Because
left
you
one
would not
be
have
wrong.
done this 4 pi.
The left, yeah.
I guarantee it.
Don't we have to do that every time?
If the number is in front of the parentheses, like touching it, then yes.
Okay. See, I told you I understood it until you threw it.
I mean, you know.
You know.
24.
Actually, I don't know.
Y equals negative cosine of 2x minus 2.
So amplitude's negative on type.
Amplitude is the absolute value of that.
So it's still one.
Amplitude is still 1. Period.
Is 2 pi over 2, which is pi.
Pi. And what's happening?
It's gone down.
Down to and
What do you mean? What do you mean and?
And?
What's the end?
there's
Left
one more
two.
thing.
No, no,
Left
there's
two.
parentheses.
Oh, wait.
Do you have to put them in the parentheses? Well, are you about to draw parentheses? Oh.
I forgot what it's called.
Yeah. Reflected?
Reflected.
Oh!
Oh.
No.
Dang it, Peyton, we didn't get it. Ah. Ah.
So mean.
Just, I can't. Just can't do it.
Just you. You must be ready to go there.
Alright, 28.
Please tell me that's the hardest to get.
Y equals, I don't want to lie to you. Negative 3 cosine of x minus pi plus 4.
Thanks, Josh.
Okay, so amplitude is 3. Period is 2 pi. It's going.
Right?
I'm gonna do up first,
Well,
but it's going up
go in
4.
the order.
9, 18. And then it's
Reflected.
reflected. You need to calm down.
No.
Beautiful.
No, I'm really not. Can't have that.
You know.
30. F of x
I'm bad with that.
equals 1 minus 3 sine of x plus pi.
Hello?
What's up?
I was like, hello?
What's up?
You can just stand at my desk.
That's disgusting. I started a train. I'm sorry.
That trend has been around for
Wait, is
So
that
I
a
started
1 minus
train.
3?
Not trend. I know the trend.
I thought it wasn't supposed to get harder.
How do you-
I told you I couldn't lie to you, so I never said that
Oh,
was the
okay.
hardest it got.
I know.
No, wait.
You
Negative
say
4.
4? 1
You-
minus 3 is
you-
4?
Yes.
It's negative 2.
Is that how that works?
Negative
no.
3 times sine
negative
cannot be
4.
added to
Wait.
1. Watch. I'm going to do some really hard math here, guys.
Lesson learned.
This is gonna be. It's negative 4. Wait.
Wait, what the?
Wait
Oh!
a minute.
Whoa!
My brain just exploded.
Doing some really hard math here,
I'm
guys.
feeling insulted.
I am feeling very like it's like you're using
Don't
your-
let it trick you. It's not just the number in front. It's the number in front of sine or cosine that gives you your amplitude.
Equals 3.
It can't do
So amplitude is 3. Period is
2 pi.
2 pi.
I love when I don't have to do math.
It go up 1.
Up 1.
Reflected.
Gosh, just
Reflected.
do the right first.
It gone
Wait,
down
left.
pi, right?
Nope.
I mean,
Left.
right.
It's left.
Left.
Left pi.
Reflected.
Oh my gosh. I
Shit, bro. Calm down.
I was gonna.
No, you weren't.
All right. Now the hardest that it's going to get.
Oh no.
That wasn't?
Oh, no.
Oh.
We're going to do the reverse.
What's that?
Like
It's
the
going to tell you this stuff,
we
and you have to write the equation.
Oh my gosh, no.
Oh,
Wow.
since
Wow.
when?
Since now.
42.
Don't play.
The graph of y equals the cosine of 2 pi x translated Down 4 units and left 3 units.
Okay. Let's write this. Wait, they already gave us half of it.
Well, they give you what to start with. So y equals the cosine of 2 pi x. Now,
Y.
what goes in the parentheses? The stuff that's moving
It
what
would
direction?
be- the x.
What
plus
direction goes in the parentheses?
the left.
Left.
Okay. I'm trying to get you to say left or right. Okay.
Wow.
So, we're told left 3 units. So, what sign is going to go with them?
Positive.
So, it's going to be plus 3, and we're going to put a parentheses around that. Then, outside the parentheses, we're doing what?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. It's the same direction as the sign. There you go.
Okay. So that's actually not.
I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Yeah, I accept that.
Oh, yeah.
I accept that. I will not.
All right.
Protest.
One more.
I said I won't protest.
46.
I said I won't.
Okay. The graph of y is equal to 1/2 sine of 6x going down. I'm just trying to shorten the question. Down 3/2 units. Right 1 unit. And reflected. It says reflected about the line such and such. Don't worry about that. Just
No, it's
pretend it's reflected. That's all it says. Pretend there's a period after the word reflected. So I know what I'm starting with.
I'm not even done like writing the question.
I also think right
One.
now.
What?
What?
What? What was that for?
I'm just like, maybe. We'll see.
How?
I think I got it.
Get my nose looks weird out of my nose itches.
All right.
I think I got
Can I?
it.
Sure.
Wait.
Negative 1/2
Yeah.
sine,
Okay.
and then in parentheses 6x minus 1, and then outside the parentheses negative 2/3.
3/2.
Oh, I missed that. Of course.
Well, hey, it was in the right spot.
we get the gist of it.
So
No
yes.
matter how hard we try.
We
Always
can't get
knows
it
that
right.
somehow.
It's just for
And done. So problems.
Oh well. Wait,
Oh,
so like,
BB.
can we just stay on these 2 sections? Wait.
13,
This is our test.
17,
This is the exam.
19, 31, 33,
Just have a quiz on these 2 sections.
43, and 45.
Section.
How many sections are in chapter 14?
I think